Yeah, man, you know, Big Joe there. I'm going to say, big up Richard Bone Films. Please like, share, and subscribe on the YouTube channel. I don't know.
No, I don't know how to start. Do this something, man. Thank you.
So, babe, what was your day?
Well, you know my day stay. Just casual and simple. So how your birthday go so far?
You know, I appreciate every little thing you do for me, and you know, they make it work, so I have to appreciate it.
I have love with you now. I can't wait till I can drop the ring pan. Yeah, cool.
Here you go.
Come figure this one later.
Okay.
Come,
Wait,
come now.
Stop playing now.
Come.
Do my ice cream. It tastes alright. You know, like the flavor, but anyway, alright.
So yeah, right.
Hmm?
So yeah, right.
Because I want to try it out.
Different destiny now, babes. You deserve way more than this, Your birthday, I acknowledge it, Promises I one day, I'll give you a world, On a birthday, anything you have, anything you can imagine. Hotel, some nice, classy place. You know me have your back, You see me?
Alright.
Give you a world. I try enough for me yet. But soon,
Listen. As long as I know some have you
Yeah.
and everything will work out, no matter. We've been in this forever since we go stay in it. You're not judge and you're not judge me. Everything will be alright. If I do second, what the second do?
I'm glad you understand this.
I'm not fussy, you know that.
You make my night, right? I feel like I'm my birthday. I put on one more year. Give me half of your years. Next week I your birthday.
Take it. Just know some of it, I'm appreciate it, okay?
Alright, babes.
Okay. Enjoy it. After me, I am
True.
Alright.
Brother did say send me some money, so I'm going to check it.
Alright, good night. I'm here. Go on now. You just know for the
But I make my ice cream melt,
Alright, not take long.
Alright, babes. I'll be back soon.
Job.
Alright.
Hi Maya.
Why are you here?
I'm gonna meet up with Gibbs. So you want to do this by yourself? Well, obviously you're not alone.
Not alone. Me and Joel up on a day.
Oh, okay. So everything alright?
Yeah, everything, Chris, as you can see.
Okay, that's nice. I'm kind of in a rush. So later.
Alright, take care.
Take care.
Alright.
Where are you dealing?
Yo, my day, man.
Yes, I go on my father.
She ain't even know, bro. I know I say I'm woman birthday. Bring her out, bro. Yes, no, so my brother, if you drop a little thing in my phone, type, I go check on me, but look like it even reach. Yeah, insufficient funds, but I say, bro, you see me?
Back boy.
What's back what we had already and she room there, you know, bro. Really want to feel special, bro, but you know.
Alright, you know you're my dog in a real life. You know, so I can't make you forward and
I know that.
disappoint yourself saying it. You see me?
Yeah,
$5 that so you can do it. You see me?
Yeah, bro, this will help me up, man. Swear, a 3 grand my brother did send, bro. This a whole heap,
Right
man,
now, I want to film board them and normally send money to me, you know, you see me? To protect it back. Can drop a money in my NCB, so I go pick up, you see me?
bro. I mean, man,
But you know,
no
say really and truly, if you want to make some right money right way, like me I make, can afford the foot and me show you a program, you know.
yeah.
Just link me money and my number, man. Just enjoy United, man.
Alright, bro.
But link me, man. Real money today, you see me?
I connect with you, man.
Connect up, man.
Alright, General. Enough respect again, man.
I mean, father, active.
Alright, bro. God, man, save my life. But yeah, bed you there.
Joel, where you come from?
Don't worry about that, man.
Where you get gun from?
Don't worry about gun. Well, it's
Think around.
top worry
Worry
about
what?
that. Yeah, worry, so. Worry, so, man. No clip me in there, man. Holy, man.
Take this. Hello. Me never. Mama wipe have my fingerprints off of that.
Yeah, worry too much, be, man. Relax, man. See things are change up,
Where
man.
you come from, Joel? You stink around. Look on the hours. At what time now?
Come on.
Don't touch me, man.
Come on, be.
Joel, what you want? When things you take up badness, where you get gun from? That me I ask you.
Ask much question. I done told, man.
You know,
Hey, man.
Joel, listen to me now. Listen to me. We can't continue to live like this, you know.
Come.
Just leave me alone. Listen to what me have to say.
So, yeah, man, in our house now.
Joel, I don't want you nothing from you.
What do you mean by leave that? What do you mean by leave? Come home and I deal with the good. Come and deal with the good. Let me see you, yeah. Come on, man.
We can't see.
Let me see. Leave me, me if you knock your...
Don't touch me. We can't see what's on my eye.
Actually, I come in and I look, man, and I see some man come on. I don't aggressive if I'm coming in, man. Just pick off my brain, so man. I ask too much question more.
Joel, when things get violent.
That's cool. You know,
Joel, just leave me alone. Brooklyn,
Maya, wow.
girl, may I come up?
Why you stand up down there till me see her come up? You forgot where the door there?
Alright, may I come? Just want to make sure, girl, I'm supposed to have somebody up there.
Some crew.
Girl, me up here, I do. Ooh, I'm tired.
My glasses.
Nothing, girl, to the sun hot and it you to my eye. Wow.
The sun reaches her eye.
Mm-hmm.
They get I got you in a real band.
Girl.
Eh?
Swear, well, Me can't in glasses again.
No. I first me see the glasses, so me just
First for everything, right?
at you. So what about?
No, me just the one board I'm so me can get one link, you know?
Okay.
So what you be able to do? Brooklyn what?
Turn so.
Why?
No, just turn so.
What?
Maya, take off your glasses.
Why me I take off your glasses, Brooklyn?
You see dark as you know as dark as we think. Take off the glasses.
She say insist. See there.
So look for me, we are talking, man. Look for me, we have a
No
conversation.
need to look for you. Me I look. Talk, what you have to say?
Maya,
Hmm?
look for me.
I know nothing Brooklyn. This morning me I clean the fan and the blade dip me in my eye.
Right. So you clean the fan while it plugs in, which causes the blade to spin and fly off.
Right. I'm glad I get it. You see you have sense.
Don't play with me.
Girl, alright. Joel told me in my eye.
Since when Joel I put in on fire?
Same thing me I wonder. From Joel start power with Dan. Be a badness. Joel not have time for me. Me can't get no attention from Joel. Me try to figure out what cause all of this and at this me get. Be a badness Joel I deal with right now. Joel a par with Dan a pay a gun in my wall.
What?
Yes, Brooklyn, me no know what else to do. Everything take a turn. Everything.
Okay, so you get that bad to the point where it my butter bruising.
I guess that, yeah.
So the man you live with I put in on fire and you have to wear glasses to cover up your face. Right?
Yes, Brooklyn. Yes, that's what it is.
What you gonna do about it?
What me if I do? That's why I'm come to you for ask you because I don't know what to do.
You come to ask me, you don't know what station there.
Girl, what me I go tell police? Say, it just a first it's on me, you know?
The first,
Yeah.
start now. You don't know. Everything start now, you do it and then go and do it again.
Me not think so because him say him not gonna do it again. Him say him sorry.
So if your man already set for forgiving him and move on, where you come to me for?
Girl, cause you're my friend. I'm not even if you come tell you about the argument with me and Joel have. It's just that you happen to see it. I'ma just tell you.
So did I step there and take a look on the fire?
You just tell me say you can't do nothing about it. So when me not come tell you for? Would have figure out a way. You just happen that you get caught up in a situation right now.
That's why me not deal with bad man. And for a real note, still Maya, you could have tell, said Joel have that in him, Captain. What you could have tell?
No, Joel was not that person. And you were saying you not deal with bad man. Police are what?
Legal bad man.
Oh, so the same thing.
Joel out there do the things them illegally and if you run up and down. No bad man now put their hand on a woman. You hear me tell her?
What you mean by why not? Brookie, you take everything you take for
Maya,
joke.
sit down, wait.
Oh,
Listen, me care about you. I'm love you dearly. I'm gonna like this for you. Right?
Right.
I understand why you put up with this and you act like you forgive him. Maya, me I tell you, if he do this, he go at my again. Believe me.
alright.
And yeah, say an influencer do this, I friend them. Wow, in not gonna give up and change, you know. But are you
So what you suggest me to do then?
walk away. Man done for you? Eh?
Me always say Brooklyn. I'm going to figure out something.
Your life, you know what best for you? But for the police, if you need anything, you can always call me. But my me encourage you to.
Alright, Brooklyn. Me call you.
Okay.
Oh God.
Hey,
Babes. You never give me my card.
no, it's here. You in a rush?
Yeah, but I'm going to people them store go pick up them things I never know, so I never have a card. Like you forgive me.
It's in the job.
Oh, why am I afraid?
Where you rush you go?
No, I have to go back and work.
Oh, but me do want to talk to you about something.
You have to make it quick, you know. What happened?
I know a conversation we can't rush, but I said we can make it short. So, Maya, right?
Maya. What happened to Maya now?
So, do you know our boyfriend Joel? The guy on the show the other time. Right. So, I don't know what him have and him putting on panel. She come down here this morning. Well, earlier today, with one black eye.
Yes, Christ.
So me encourage her to go to the station and she said she don't want to do that. So me don't know what you can advise if to do.
So why she not want to go station?
Cause maybe she doesn't want to leave yet, but once it happened the first time, there are possibilities that it might happen.
Well, yeah, I hear about those cases, but she have to go down there and make a formal report.
So, well, you don't think you could have let me talk to him or so?
Talk to who? No. Make she come down, come make a report. You know, no time to go talk to no man about that. Make she come down, at least she have some evidence to say, boy, what is happening. So if anything happen, she have proof. So it's so it goes. Make she come down, come make a formal report. Simple as that.
You sure you can go talk to them?
Go
Yeah,
talk.
because look, me not really want to force her to go, because what if she wants to stay?
Well, listen to me. Alright. Domestic violence is not my thing. You understand me? I'm not finishing that. Is that raid me I go up and now? Giga out there wait for me now. Even outside front there. Nah, boss.
Okay, well, me gonna see if me can try talking to her again.
Talk to her, tell her to go down there. Simple as that.
Okay.
Oh, what? Before me forget. A piece of embarrassment. So you alright now?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Let me see you later. Yeah?
I'm fine.
Alright. You tired me out last night. So you go.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man, alright. Why, Gigo? Why, we have good news, you know? Yeah, man. My girlie, you know, so she have a friend where boyfriend a waste time, you know.
Well, that's it.
Them have problem. But guess what? I don't make sure make a link up for you, know.
Yeah, man, that's a good still. So what should look do?
Listen, if I say my woman, my woman have to keep my look to Fenke. Friend, you know. So if I say my woman, you know, say she have to look hot. Close.
Alright.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah, man, get to that. But anyway, still.
Yeah.
We could talk about that later.
Oh, yes.
So, what happened to you about them on the beach we are talking about?
Yeah, what happened now? The man them terrorize the place.
Zin?
Tourists I walk on the place and I make report about a specific type of man them and it sound like a them. So you know what now?
But we have to get control of this because we must have food town this in the month.
Yeah. We can't allow if nobody come call we and say, boy, or we not operate here so properly. Can't make no boy come here so. So anyway, here what happened? We'll go over there and we'll go see what go on.
Yeah, well,
hopefully everything alright.
We have to make a step one because food home town is some time and the boy come much up.
Boy, come on, shut up.
So yeah, say?
Anyway, you ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, make sure you have it your strap.
I want to
Alright, cool.
Yo, you don't know what's in my ear say. See a woman there, friend, apart with police.
Which one am friend that? That's Brooklyn, because I'm good friend here down there.
Yeah, but watch you know, you have to link her, you know, and make sure you know that that's not part of the game, you know.
No, we can't.
When you link with woman, you link with police, you know.
No one thing turn in a rat, man. I forgot to chat to her, man.
I eat if you look bored.
Done, me have it govern, man. I deal with it, man. Me never know. If I didn't know more, I just deal with it. You don't even hear.
I want one little code link me and tell me what go on.
Already, me and her catch up because she take time and ask her too much question to you, know, then between me and you. I don't really want you to brush her or anything, you know, because you know I be that still, you know. But she ask some question, my dog have to knock her in her face one night time.
But you know, really and truly, I don't believe in a beat man, you know. Believe in a beat pitney, you know. Or when they grow up to shot some of them, you know.
Yeah. Right.
So I don't have time for them, I think if you put me on for a woman, you see me?
She asks too much questions. She never usually asks questions that I just that.
But bust the link though, and make she know if you making your friend know say, don't mess up.
Yeah,
and
man.
run the game, then the police and the friend.
I just make sure cut off a friend there too, because you know them thing they go. The man in relationship thing, you know, go choose in friend over him man neither. So I try and make sure drop the friend there too, you know.
Nah, go choose in friend, he can't go their foot then.
Yeah, that man, I go make him drop in friend, man.
if she go do that, she can't already then.
Oh, bro, I make she cut today.
Why them ain't get me, man?
Yo, almost let me know, man.
Bomb, man.
Yo, I think I'm gonna go at my show, please, brother.
Man, them get me, man. You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm a good man.
Yo, come in.
Chill, chill.
Where you come from?
I'm gonna look for Brooklyn.
Who? Which part you say you're forward from?
Down at Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.
Mm-hmm.
You don't tell her boy the altercation no go on.
No, I'm not tell her nothing. We just go look for her because we did long overdue.
Oh, make sure no. You sure you not say nothing to her? I mean, you hear some things about her, you know. You not say nothing to her.
Me have to
You if
tell
you
her
say
because
something
me
to-
did have on the glasses and she realized.
Same thing me I talk.
But me not tell her say, Joel,
What you say to her?
me tell her what happened.
So I say you plan for carry yard business on road. Next thing again more you stop for with a girl then. Yeah, because me hear say her man I want police.
Mm-hmm.
I not trust people who trust police. Me not link with people who link with police.
But Joel, me know Brooklyn before me even think to meet you.
That not say then your relationship. Remember you know me and you go there till we old, you know. Remember
don't know that.
remember you not retire with no friend, you know. Them a start for them family and go about for them business, you know. Down to your picnic them and move out and gone, you know. How want you think I did there in the long run. I must say your man.
No, me and me pin with them. Me
Them
know
a go
me and
get
my
bigger
things are
and
primary
move
school
out,
together.
you?
We got through thick and thin and me not make you break that, Joel. So you fix out what you have to fix out and don't tell me who to talk to and who not to talk to.
Right, you me I go tell you, don't come me hard story a road to your friend
Don't
them.
put your hand on me then because me don't know all of a sudden you just get bad all of a sudden. You think this a lifestyle very nice?
I'm tell you, if me never love you, I wouldn't knock you in your face, you know.
Wow. So you're one of them.
Wanna
Oh,
what?
so you plan to do it again?
Where you label me as now?
No, but you plan to do it again,
I'm
Joel.
willing to invest in a relationship. So if I see where you're not meds right, I'm going to give you a little adjustments. That's
Joel,
it.
me simple ask you why you take up badness. That's all I ask you. And you're going to tell me in my eye.
Then what you think of bringing the money? Look at. I want to move this in, and I don't even like me deep in my badness. I just do one little tune up, but little badness mixing it, but you don't know a thing go. Remember when I work at China, you know, we could hardly find it, you know. Could hardly find taxi fare for even go to work, much less. A badness I do this, all of this. A badness I do me here, I do your here. Look how you're pretty. Badness are shining in your life beautifully. Stop worry about badness, man. Sometimes good things come from the worst place. I know we're there first place and I hear how you move. But I don't want you to go on, so man. I first say I try first, my man. Stop worry about that, man. Just know say you good and me good. Take care of you. Rich badness, you know.
You just as simple said you not have to work like this, Joel. I will
You have something better? Me have 10 subjects. Me have couple subjects. Me have scholarship.
You not have what me have.
No man take care of me.
I can't even talk to you.
You can't wait, be. Just relax, no man, and enjoy life, man. I never saw it start out.
Exactly.
Yeah, but when we that child go the right way, you see, say we are better.
Patience is the key to survival.
Then the patience bring we here, so. You think me start at that level, yeah? Alright, move them me and make be. And you see things that work out, so. Oh, that, man. Do your nails. You see me? I go up on the road. Badness do that. Take care of you, man.
Yeah, my phone there. What you do with my phone? How you get my code from my phone?
Hello, listen to me. Who named Jay?
Charge, you
After me-
ask too much
Hello, listen
question
to
you
me.
out arm to you.
Me can't be.
Phone,
Take your phone. Me don't even want it. Me see everything for your information.
So you run to my phone for?
What happened to you, the nice person what me know?
That nice
Look how
person,
much
talk
girl you
about nice
entertain.
person.
What me for?
You talk too much, you know. My problem. Yo, give me my phone.
Left my phone now. I want to hombre.
My
Where you
phone
fight?
charge.
Stop ring my hand. Stop.
Phone my youth.
Say you gonna fight me for girl. Give me the phone.
Watch it now, man. When since you start try search man phone?
It's
Huh?
alright, you know. Watch how I'm gonna let brother you see. You hurt my hand, you know. And you act like you don't care.
Charge, yeah, you cause this. If you just give me my phone, I hear your phone.
So where you fight me up a phone if you're not
You
hiding
make
nothing for?
my phone stop touch. Could they?
And mash me, I go mash it up the next time.
Mash up.
It's alright, you know. It's alright. I'm just done with them. I'm tired of you. Move out, I'm with you.
How can you depend drugs to blood clean?
Hey, Brooklyn.
Hey, sweetheart.
Nothing. We just come from the doctor, you know.
What happened?
Joel hurt my hand.
Joel, you what?
Joel hurt my hand.
Him gonna hurt your hand. Why,
Brooklyn, me just... Let me move on. Me can't do this.
Where are you?
Me there the place. Me just reached back from the doctor. Me there
So
home.
where Joel live?
Him there on the road.
Okay, alright, you can come by my house.
Alright, you sure?
What you mean if you sure me and tell her to come?
Alright, give me 5 minutes.
Alright.
Alright. No, I'll stay one next night. Even I make him come see me right here. So. Even if he can't everything lucky.
What is she doing?
But then I got change phone and by the time if I put it back, him catch me and him ring up my hand. I go to doctor and him say it's sprained. I just think say after the black eye, it go and stop after that.
You think that after him give you one black eye, you might go wake up one day and not do it anymore.
I cannot share even know. As I tell you, Joel is not like this. Joel change. Yeah, behave like you don't know, so I threw me at her.
If I hear a man, I don't know, I will wanna show me a work with. And if him a do this still behind closed doors. Maya, me encourage you the first time for walk away. Leave it alone because it go happen again. And know it happen again. What you gonna do?
Me I left him, me now go back. Worse can happen next time I go. Me done with Joel. I swear to you, I'm done with Joel.
I who that?
Joel outside.
Brooklyn.
Give me 1 minute, me a come.
Me not there, me not.
Good night.
Good night.
Mm-hmm.
I'm Maya there.
I don't know where Maya is and yeah, Maya live.
But Maya not there, me yard. Maya, all of Maya things them gone.
So yeah, assume say Maya there.
Not for there, me know, you know in there.
Joel, I don't know where Maya is.
You know where Maya there.
Me don't know where Maya there.
Of course you know where Maya there.
No, you can't tell me say me know where Maya there. Me I tell you say me know where
Alone
Maya.
Maya chat to down here. Maya family them not come from down here. If she ever go back up, she go say it to you. So I say, where pass she them? I just want to talk to her.
You know, understand me I say, me don't know where Maya there.
Obviously she a pray me. I realize say you corrupt all her meds too. So me know you know where Maya there. You know say a fool you take man for though. Brooklyn a fool you take me for. Where Maya there?
Take your time, go on. Take your time, go on. Cause that can't frighten me. Me don't know what you try to do, but that, no.
Can't frighten you?
No.
So I try frighten you?
What you do then?
I try find out where Maya there.
And I don't know where Maya is. You don't understand?
Yo, you what you do? Just tell Maya for call me.
Just take time, go on.
Are you on there?
No, man, take time, go on.
It's alright. Tell her for call me.
Wait, see. We tell you.
Calm down, Maya. Him ask you, I tell him say, you're not there here.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Listen. We are going to go to the police station and we're going to make a report and we're going to see how best we can deal with this. Because the thing can show up here, right? Who knows what will happen? If you come with gun, like, I see what you talk, not that me never get it before, but I see what you talk about now. Like, him, Eve out there chatting me about it, you say me a link with policeman, and then I trust me. So me tell us that we go by the station and we go make a report and see how best we can deal with this. Right?
Okay, wait, no. Let's go now.
Well, we can't go now since as me don't know if him gone.
Alright, I'm running then. You could ask
Yes, we can.
pick me up.
Yes. Really and truly, no Maya. Only one policeman can fix this.
Okay, what do you mean by that?
Well, maybe if you did talk to one policeman in the first place, this would have happened.
Okay, me not depend where you depend right now.
After all, I'm there for serve and protect.
No,
Right?
serve and protect outside.
Internally and externally. Him not gonna abuse you.
You don't know that.
Me
I
a-
say policeman a bad man too.
Well, them bad for the right reasons. Your man a bad for nothing at all and a beat man. You know see my clown?
Alright, make it stay then. Okay.
Yeah, defend him.
Try imply.
They with a policeman so him can fix Joel business. You good?
Now what I want for this?
What you mean by what already there? Look how close it is to the station.
We just can't say the bag of chaos, the loud talking and your gas station, everybody gonna know your business. Because they now bring us something private and say, alright, tell me what's going on.
Yeah, Maya, but we already talked about this though. You already know what the process looks like. I'm gonna tell us that there is not much what nobody can do for we unless we make one report.
Just talk to Gibbs. Why Gibbs can't just talk to me personal?
Yeah, but I already speak to him and the most he can do, he can't even do nothing if you're not gonna make one report. Because then it matter will be dealt with illegally and he would have getting a problem. And me tell you saying that deal with domestic violence, that's enough for him area.
I don't know if I say them because I don't want to go over station. Please
You
talk to
want to
Gibbs.
talk back to Joel?
What? No.
So why not?
Me just talk to Gibbs and hear what you have to say.
Fine, me I go try my best again one more time.
We are going
Me
to
go,
talk to him now.
me go and go over there and see if me can get to him or try call him or something. Just wait for me up here.
Alright.
You good?
I'm good.
What, baby? What you said?
You good?
I up to.
You eat like already nothing.
I'm a good man.
So about the thing I'm going to talk to you about with Maya.
Mm-hmm.
So me and her came by earlier. She changed her mind last minute.
So she never get report.
No, like we come, she stopped, she said she no bother want to. So me tell her, say me go call her back. Me don't know what to do.
Listen to me. I'm gonna tell you something, you know. You know, say some woman where I see this and they love beating. So mine a friend of one of them, you know. Because I don't understand how this man abuse her and she's not going over there. That don't make no sense.
Me not think that's it. Knowing Maya, she just don't like her business on the road and she said going at the station to make a report. There's a possibility that, you know, other people might find out about it and she just don't want her business on the road. I guess that's the issue.
Well, what will happen to them?
That's why I'm calling you to see if you can advise me otherwise because way these say no work.
Yeah, but we not really know a domestic part. They say no, that's not feel part to me. Hold on. All right, you what? I'm going to make my colleague deal with them. I'm going to ask you, can you do me a favor? Sorry.
Okay, and then how would I do? Would I go talk to him?
Well, let me take it up from this, man. Don't worry yourself about that. But I'm going to make him deal with it. I talk to him about it and so forth.
Alright, because I don't trust him, because the night when he deal with Maya, he did come down at the yard. So, it's really a lot that is going on. I never want to mention it because I know you stay.
Why you never tell me something? Come on. You know, see this hour? I have to respect this, you know. How are you, man? You should tell me all them something, yeah.
Well, me I tell you now, me stress. I don't know how to deal with the situation because I don't want to buy, because Maya down in my house most of the time. I don't want to buy the house and then him pull up and I don't know what to do.
All right, you want me? I'm going to make my colleague deal with it.
Okay, so me go wait for a call then.
Yeah, man. You know, should tell me them things, man. But careful, you know.
Yeah.
Careful. Sometimes them friends and them relationship, they get involved and then next thing you know, you draw deep and you put yourself in a problem. So
Right, and we did ask her, come in and ask her if she was planning to talk about things, come in and understand why we come so close and she want draw words.
although you're a friend, be careful.
Okay.
Because me no want in the bang around and then in the day, you get the shot in the stick.
Alright.
Alright? Wait, so I said she gone.
Yeah, she come back for the house. Me
So waste of time. You see, I waste of time and help people and at the end of the day for no reason at all.
No, don't say it like that. I kind of understand your point, but it just, more want it deal with it.
When they come like I kill him, she want to kill her or something. Just be careful. Because sometimes you put yourself in a way for your help friend and then you end up with the shorter end of the stick. Alright?
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah man, so there's some more here.
Alright.
Alright, take care.
Alright, later.
Alright. Go to.
Later.
Yeah, smile so.
Well, I'm going to tell you, say that TikTok video there watching, man. What are going?
Last man, you're a big man. You know see what going on TikTok nowadays, eh? Man, you have some case file for deal with, man. Eh?
Yo, seriously, Silla Gibbs. I don't really have time for that Silla man because we really have a mind on them board for one night.
Yeah, but you have the work a pile up on you.
Yeah, man, we soon start out them the one. Soon you them, man. I don't have time for that one, bro.
Anyway.
Yeah. What about, hold on, before you're going away,
Eh.
what about the thing where I said to me other evening in a vehicle, about the female?
Oh. That me I get to you now still.
Oh, Zane.
But you what happened? Brooklyn come check me a while ago.
Mm-hmm.
Zane? And she have our friend. You see, same friend. All right, see where I get to it, you know. Let me tell you about my dear. I saw serious issues with our boyfriend. Zane?
Yeah, yeah.
And the man boy abuse the girl.
Abuse.
Abuse. Yeah, man.
That doesn't sound right, still.
All right. But you what happened still? She asked me, say, boy, what me can do for her, what me can do for her friend or whatever. But my hand them tie up, you know. Because all the soup just come give me some other work when me have to go probably by all. From this evening, me have to hold it for sitting for go deal with film. So, me go ask her if you can go deal with it for me.
Deal with that.
Just go deal with the Brooklyn friend, man.
I want you to remember.
Maya.
Please, listen, I want you
Yeah.
to remember. Please reminded. Please be reminded. Right?
Yeah, man.
So we don't do domestic violence. We do the criminal case.
Yeah, me know. But just make a little exception for me, man. You know, can do that for me. As a virgin. You don't know them things are staying, man, because some people, everybody timid and everybody are the same, you know. You know, so she's afraid to come over here and all them stuff there. So, you know, she's not going to just walk in and deal with shit. So that's just get helping hand, man. They must get help out.
All right. Thinking of one instant. I did it because of you, because you're my brother in real life, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Minor thing that, man. You see all Brooklyn there, boy, I tell you, trust me. I'm not going to hang good, you know, but...
Yeah, a real storyteller, still.
Eh?
Yeah, a real storyteller, still.
That's true, man. But, as me saying, boss, man. A Brooklyn friend, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And so Brooklyn look. I see him class a girl, you know, as me say.
I don't even want to talk about him still, because she's nice for real still, is it?
All right, look there. At first, you know, it's just a fling me there with she, you know, because me much older than her, you know.
Yeah.
See it? And look there now. A day turn in a week, turn in a month. And look how long with it. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Why, man, I tell you, trust me. But anyway, as me say, I don't want to deal with it.
Yeah, man, I got you, man.
See? And a chance, you know.
What do you mean I'm a chance?
You probably all swinging in a jungle, all like, you know.
Yeah, you're not easy, you know. You're not easy in the Gibbs.
No, man, I tell you, man. No, just trust me, man. Me say, when you see, you will say, boy, yeah, you're going to take up the case and deal with it. So, man, you deal with it for me, man. See?
All right, don't worry yourself, man.
Yeah, man, just do the right thing for me, man. And not the major. You know, say me, you deal with them things. They're already on the
Gibbs,
side.
you see them boys still? We'll have to go back for them still, because you know, like what I'm going to wear still, bro.
Maybe right. Boy, I mean, I tell you, say, trust me. Can't make them boy make you look like a some idiot, man.
Yeah, boy, they could have shoot one at you, bro.
And that me I say, no, boss. But you say me I feel say, boy, trust me. Boy, you still have it now, you do, you know. I see you make some rule, then me I feel say, no, man. Jaja. You still have it now, you man.
I'm in here 1G, man. 1G, man. You see me? Yeah, man. But still, I hope you look good, you know.
Boss, man. When I tell you, say, Friday, say my one, you're going to see fear. I joke, I'm not fear yet still, but at the end of the day, more you meet her, man. Don't worry yourself. Just go deal with that for me. All right?
Man, I get them case files sorted still, is it?
Yeah, man, I watch them and see if you're going to take them up. One go deal with them.
So, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. I just not remember.
You know how to take off your shirt?
No, it bruise up body, no. Black and blue.
It just look away if you hide the bandage with the shirt. Either way, people still are going to know something wrong because you're only unweird.
Brooklyn, that good. You worry about the wrong things right now.
Maya, I'm not worried about the wrong thing. I just say, alright, you know what, scratch that, it's fine. You sure you don't want me to stay with you?
You can go on, alright.
You sure?
You can go on. Alright, I already have him picture saying if you come, you know, say again.
Alright, me go up and wait for you for yard, alright?
Alright, me call you for anything.
Alright, later.
Alright, listen.
Good afternoon.
Alright?
Yes, what's up? You alright?
Maya, yeah, I'm alright.
How are you doing now?
Not too good as you can see.
So, I need to tell you some things about the boy, you know. Because really and truly, you know, run domestic violence joke.
To be honest, it wasn't like this. From him start parried one boy named Dan. Everything changed. I him do my answer, you know. Him fist me in my eye through me even ask him why him change. I can't do this no more, honestly to God.
So why you never come to the station and make a formal report about this?
Because me just never want the chaos, me no want the loud thing, me just didn't want to keep it on I do. Me no want everybody to know my business.
Alright, listen me. Don't worry yourself about this, right? I'm gonna deal with this myself.
Are you sure?
100% sure, sweetheart. But anyways, where do you hang out though?
Him always there one corner up a beach park with the little hoodlum when me I tell you about.
Alright, don't worry about it. As I said before, I'm gonna give you my personal number and give me a call.
Okay, give me a second. So you can put your number right here. Okay.
So, hope you have a nice day.
Okay, nice talking to you. Bye.
Yeah, bro. Oh, sir, I no hide, bro. Me just not really touch the road, bro. I hold it on my mind, dog. Then, bro, you don't know, say, my woman not there a long time, bro. For she cut my mind a day, bro. I not just get the next year, so, bro. You think, you make it sound away, bro. I hold it a little thing, bro. Remember, some man do hold it a thing for you, you know. I mean, in the street, man, there also, man, I don't like me cheat, you know. Me deal with her good, bro. Everything what I do, bro, I fear her, dog, and she just get up and just cut, so, bro. What you mean, bro? Joke, bro. Well, I'm yard me there, bro. I don't think me I go nowhere, dog. Yeah, man, so a little bit, dog. If anything, I'm yard me there, dog. I just hold me there and hold it, bro. Ah. No, man, you call him, man. Yeah, alright.
Yo, ease yourself, man. Calm down yourself.
How are you, brother?
Are you named Joel?
So it's about, officer?
Still answer my question, brother. I say for you name Joel.
Yeah, man, I'm name Joel, man.
Alright, anyway. You know a girl named Maya?
Yeah, man, I know Maya, woman, man.
Get friend of some say I beat Maya still now.
Me?
Yo, you must say come over and talk to me.
But officer, I never put my hand on her yet. Officer.
So the swelling pon her and them thing, where I say, she do it? I thought she would have wicked to herself?
Officer, I don't know nothing about that.
Hear me I say.
You know how long I see Maya?
Hear me I say.
She cut from me yard now, officer. I know how long I see her.
Hear me I say to you? Me? I do domestic war. Hear me I tell her? Yeah, hear me I say to you?
Give me a year, man, but what that's supposed to mean? But don't tell you, say, no me, I mean, I nothing to do with that.
So her hands swell, brother? Stop them. Yo.
So you know where she there, cause a long time when I say she cut from me yard, as me I tell you.
If you ask me that. You see, if me ever find out, say, or get no hint, say I stalk her, me personally come for you. You hear me I tell her? Right now, I'm nice.
Yeah, say, man. You see me?
I'm done talk with her.
You make it sound personal, though, officer.
The final word, you hear me I tell her?
You don't want this to be work all done, you know. I don't understand what kind of style this is. That's for the police boy, the Brooklyn boy. You can't manage my pressing system like a joke thing, my dog. And this one done. Yeah, bro. Yo, done. Round a back me there, brother. I just go build a spliff, bro, when I look at this man. Pull up on my dog. Be a question what my name. Ask me about Maya, bro. And throw him a talk, bro. It sound like personal to my dog. What you mean if we need to find out how, brother? That me I wonder, bro. I never see me now police clothes. I one of them plain clothes, man. They just him look a badge. Me see around him neck, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Me a forward a foot, man. Yeah, dog. Right now, bro. Can't believe this yet. General. Alright, like, yeah, I'm a general, man. I don't know. It's not tell a man what go on.
You see, if you deal with the right way for a long time, your woman would get the link with the policeman, dog. It did fit straight, not the right way for a longer time.
Bro, I the kind of try. I try cut the link dog, boy. Come like say your time me run out or something dog.
Time and police boy coming in the yard, what kind of time you talk about?
Bro, I'm more the dog. I just want to find out who that boy the dog and just you see me?
Yo, listen to me I say. Me need some more intel on the board, you know. Cause watch you know, that now go say, you know, no police boy, you know.
Nah,
You want to go match up out a station?
cool no man. No, you have his
None of
strength
them
like
line
that.
with steel, you know.
No, you have his strength, father, man. Just cool, no, man. We
Yo.
just want to find out who me I say me can get some more information.
Yeah, get
but
some picture.
between me and you look personal, how you approach me.
Then
If I know my woman friend, man, I set up my woman pan that the boy did and come like same on to me.
all me have to say, just get some more information so me can know what to rep. Need the information them ASAP, you know.
Yeah, bro.
Just do that and link me.
Yeah, me done, man. I say I can get some footage off of my camera and say I get the information to you, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I can't
generally.
believe I'm here in that, but do that and link me.
Alright,
If I go all night at you know.
I do it as fast as me can.
ASAP.
Oh, Maya. Yo,
Joel, me not talking with you right now.
I say the things.
We are talking about
You just get up and just move out and then style.
me get up and move out. You abuse me.
What you call abuse? You question what me I do and thing and me just a talk to you now and you call that abuse. And next thing you send a policeman come on my yard.
Me send policeman come here.
I mean,
Oh, you know say me send policeman come here.
you wanna come on my yard and come talk like I'm all in a dealings.
Me not there with a policeman.
From here him a talk, me know that personally, you know. And I first me say that the police. I know so much details about me and my life. What going on in my room. I come ask me one bag of question. Boy, y'all are chatting me.
Me not responsible for that. When me ask you what you call abuse, because you told me that I ring up my hand spraying it. So what you call abuse?
That's not abuse.
Joel, me not talking with
Oh,
you.
come here, man.
Let me put your call for
Same thing cause the whole jam. I want to tell you.
Leave me alone. Stop causing one scene, you know.
Not a day style cause the whole jam in the first place, you know. You may say, man, what you say, you're the police boy.
Me not there with nobody. Joel, what you want from me? You want everybody to say we're toxic?
Oh yeah, calm down now, man.
It's done. Now you need to accept that.
Listen, man. When you're the boy and the man, I could fix things.
Me not fix nothing with the
Just
Joel.
talk, we talk. How you raise up your voice, son?
We can't leave right now. Just accept say this done now.
Yeah, man.
Joel.
Yo, how are you going, Ma, you good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Brother, me have a conversation already. Yo, you must know. You're up on your second strike. Don't make it third strike, you hear? Maya, come on the vehicle and come on.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So, how can I help you?
Yes, so you know, so I come to make a direct complaint to you because you don't really trust the officer them.
Hold on. Listen. You came into my office. They said you need to speak to me directly. You walk into my office and tell me that you don't trust my officer.
Yeah,
Do
baseball.
you have some reason why you would say that about my officers? Young man?
Yeah, me have probable cause because you know, so one of your officer supposedly go by the name Jigo them call him in the street. I don't really know him official name.
Hold on. First of all, let me start. What is your name?
Joel Smith.
Joel Smith.
Yeah.
You have a problem with which one of my officers?
No, your officer have a problem with me, the one with them called Jigo. Because it's like him a pray me over a woman, over my own girlfriend at that.
Jigo is a good officer. I never had a complaint about Jigo.
Well, me no know, but him take one set for me and him even go as far as come to my household and check my life. Me don't say him is not a good officer, you know. Me don't really know nothing about him. But since me really know him, you know, I be upon bad grounds because me have my woman on my yard. As like, me don't know if I dealings with my woman, you know. But him just take up my yard issue upon him head. The man come all of my yard, come check me with gun. I tell me what me fi do for and what me not fi do, officer.
What's your name was again?
Joel Smith.
Joel Smith. What kind of work you do?
I do construction work, officer.
And you're telling me, I've been doing this job for quite a while now. You walked in my office, you're telling me that one of my officers is just speaking on you for no reason. Is there something you're not telling? Come clean with me, man.
Me no leave out nothing soap. Me I tell you the truth, me never did know him. Me never know him until him come in my yard.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Now you realize how this just not make sense to me.
Well, it don't make sense to me either. That's why I come to you. Because of you ahead of all of them, you know. So me I tell you personally.
Okay. Finish it clear.
Yeah, alright. So the first thing first, me don't know him and I fear for my life, officer. Because him know me live and I don't know how him know how me live. Me's a law abiding citizen, you know. Me and sir, me there in a son I work every day. You know.
All right, Mr. Joel, I'm gonna look into this. But I'm gonna tell you right now, if this is a false claim, because this is some serious allegation. If this is a false claim, I will be contacting you back. So make sure you leave your name and your number at the front desk. I'll look into it. Which officer you said Jigo?
Jigo them call him, sir.
Okay. All right. I will look into it. And again, this is some serious allegation.
I understand, but may I tell you the truth.
And if this turn out to be false, like I said, I will be talking to you again.
Alright.
All right? Is there anything else you would like to say today?
But I just want you to just leave me alone, I swear. So, if you had, you know, so, I don't know.
Like I said, I'll speak to him. And thank you for coming.
Yes, sir.
I will be speaking to him.
So you work later?
No, be no work later though. I'm take that day for you though.
Okay, that's nice. Well, I wish Joel did that treat me so.
Stop worrying about Joel, man. There's Joel some hoodlums. And that's what married. Why you mentioning him?
No, but that's a say, I don't mean nothing by it.
I'm going upset. I'm there for reassurance.
I feel better about myself now that I'm here so with you. Feel comfortable and feel happy.
What big man, I'll stop the joy. How it is?
I like it, it's nice.
So, yes, so. You need to see me at the office. On my day off, so. Alright, give me about an hour. Alright.
What's wrong?
Alright, so just come while I say I want to see my office now. So can I just work on the bed before we leave now?
Okay, fine.
Good night, sir. Oh, go on.
Thanks for coming in. Now listen, I'm sorry to call you in here on your day off, but I have a young man walk in here. He wanted to speak to me directly. Some complaint about you.
What company no soup?
A guy, Joel, something, you know a guy named Joel? Guy said you're picking on him, man.
Soup. Yes, I know Joel, to be honest. But that boy is some hoodlum on the beach selling drugs and such, and even beating his girlfriend on the street.
Oh, hold on. Are we talking about the same young man? Because I have his file here and he seems to be clean.
Soup.
From what I understand, he do construction. So we're talking about the same, Joel?
Soup is a liar, Soup. He's
Is
such
that
a
so?
liar. He's such a liar, Soup. I saw him other day, in the bus park, Man angle his lady, And
Okay.
me know the domestic violence, but Soup, remember we are here to serve and protect. I have to step in and take control of the situation, Soup.
Now listen to me, Jigo. I hear you on that, but you're special ops. I don't want you to get caught up in this whole domestic thing. You wouldn't sit in my office and lie to me, would you?
No, Soup. As I said, he's such a hoodlum. How do he look to you, Soup? He don't look like a criminal to you?
Well, I'm not here to judge. I'm looking at the individual file. And I talk to him. Seem like a respectable young man. Is there anything you want to tell?
Soup, as I can say to you, anything that is dark must come to light. So,
Okay.
you don't see his darkness as yet, but one day he's going to be in the jail cell, or we have to be on the crime scene with him or something. So please bear in mind, we are in the streets and we know exactly what's going on. You are in the office, not seeing what is happening outside. So that young man is a hoodlum in the street of Whitehall and also on the boulevard.
All right.
Yes, so.
I'm going to take your word of it. But
So now listen to him. I come to you and I ball and I play and I beg to you. So remember, what in the dark must come to light, your Soup.
I hear you talking. And I have no reason to not believe you. But just don't make this be a female thing.
No,
Like, you
Soup.
know that would be a conflict of interest.
Yes, Soup. I know that, Soup.
All right?
Yes, Soup.
So just keep on doing the right thing out there, man.
All right, Soup.
And just don't let me hear
Have
it.
a nice night, Soup.
All right?
Yes, Soup.
Continue to do good, man.
Let me tell you, bro. Get some information from the boy, you know. And you don't know, cause boy, I come on the mission with me, you see me?
So hold on now. They done show a dog certain code already.
Yeah, man,
how we
you know
roll.
a code, man. You know a code, him just be an extra hand on the operation, bro.
Alright, okay.
You
You
see
know,
me?
normally when we go on for operation, we normally rolls. But show
Yeah.
your family still.
Yeah,
still
man, I'm
govern,
fam,
you see
man,
me?
you know.
Active,
One link,
man.
bro.
So what information then go do?
Bro, I know where he live. I just in schedule right now, so we could have run in upon him tonight because he's on duty, you know. You understand?
If you on duty, we no can circle him on the road and dash all on and squad them too.
No, we don't want to take it so wide down, you know, thing go low key.
So how want him come round? I'm alone come round.
I'm alone come round here. May I report you know?
What you say do?
Bro, you know, you're not informed already, but he look like a target, him a target me, you know.
No man,
I mean, I do not know where if you know
we
about the
don't want to
target.
get out one police and you bring more police in there.
And I bring more, I just want to make it clear, bro. That means like because in page me all in a town brawling, says that me have to make them know. You understand? So any altercation go on with me, I'm in a town, I don't have that.
Yo.
In my pocket, you see me?
Boy, they have do too much do, you know. But me
Bro.
know what me do.
Yeah, bro, that's why I bring a case to you. I know you know how to deal with it. You see me?
You know right now, you know my thing, you know, brawling and right now in the town, me go feel me.
No, then I want to keep it down, man. You see me?
The thing them
So
in like here.
I just say, yo, me I go link such man for you next to something them, you see me?
Or yourself, man. The big fat boy, they go down, man. You hear that?
Man. That man, yeah, cause boy, my son father, so holy ground. Yeah, man, holy ground with done, my father, righteous man, I would plan out here for my father, bro.
Fear boy, try me with that shit police long time. You say? Yeah, marksman.
All I'm not sure what crime I'm doing now, but you can't call this a your boy look at them in one game where 5 man get shoot up.
You say you can rate the damage.
Kill every one of them.
Tough boy, man, active, man. You mean, man.
Off for the road, man.
You know, that's how we behave down here, too, man. You know, anyway, we go with dirty up place, man. We not to
Bro.
talking.
I'm a straight and local cousin, everything you know. You only taller than me, but you know better than me. That's why when tell us how we should do different now. But in your heart kind of soft.
Ancestral, we just work with ancestral, you know, because we even want too much experiments, neither.
I'm ready to talk to you, girl, man. So anything you say,
That's a code.
if you up to me, that big fat one, it'll long time.
Yo, don't move.
Yo, don't move. But
Sit down there, sir.
the one that... Yo, the one that gone already, you know. The one that gone, you know.
You see my dragon, brother? I want you.
Yo, this is like going to your bridging.
Yo. How good? Yo. Boy, them up me saying, then shoot off your cousin, I don't even know if he's dead or something. You call him? Me not call and run me around and come down from the youth. So yo, make we go around after this. Want know if the dog good, brother. Don't know you. Tell her another dog. It's not tell her dog.
Brother, I rather safe than sorry right now, brother.
This is like going to you.
Brother, I rather safe than sorry. The next one, run gun.
How you going to explain?
bro.
How you going to explain this now?
No worry yourself, man.
Boss man, and you have to go deal with this
I
now.
say no worry yourself, I got this lock.
You know what?
Just stay here, so I'm assuming.
Just cry. Man, yo. Stop jumping, Virgin, man.
Yo, I got this lock in the man.
No. Yo, hurry up, man. Bust 2 shots out of thing on you. Yo, you take too long, man. Hurry up, man. Hurry up, man. Come on, man. Yo, make sure you're calling this, you. Think the pan yourself, man. Yo, my youth. That is totally unnecessary, no, man.
Bro, yo, you can't tell me that's total unnecessary, brother. You can't tell me that.
How you make you reach so far,
What do you
man?
mean? Suppose a plan to come kill me.
My youth.
You can't know.
Yo,
you
where you join the force for, Virgin? And there's something you're supposed to know. The man have a phone in his pocket.
And you put me on this matter, you know?
How many people put in
What
the
do you mean?
matter?
We should never do this, you know?
That's damn right, you shouldn't do it. You come and accept for me line you up with the girl, that peer problem you put. It's like, it's something you just get to your head. This thing you come like you just get to your head, take out the woman.
Yo, hear me I say. Don't happen already. I go find out how we are the situation now. So watch out now. Listen, I want anything I tell you. So our statement supposed to be the same. No difference.
Yeah, but you just take me thing personal, Virgin. It's too personal, man. Anyway, you know, as I say, a statement of everything of jail, you know.
And there's some local dirty corner about them there.
I'm not say no in a boss, man, but how the things stay, you know, it's going to look away. It's going to lead like maybe if I'm find out not jealousy and all them something. Anyway, the simple thing, you know, simple matter. You know, you hear on the news every day, we just make them with the same thing. We go around there, we accosted 2 men, one running in nearby bushes, the next one decide to challenge the police and we not team up. That's it. Nothing more, that's it. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, man.
That's just a regular thing there, sir. Alright?
Yeah, man.
We just go there, accosted 2 men, one runway, the next one pull gun, and you deal with in case. And that's it. The next one running in nearby bushes.
Just
At
hope
argument.
you don't let me down, you know.
We not let you down, boss.
Just
Man.
hope you don't let me down.
We not let you down.
Because
But you just,
you put me in that spot, brother.
what we just said this was unnecessary.
I don't do domestic war, bro. And because of domestic war, I have to end up kill somebody innocent, that's what you say.
Yeah, but you coming like say you don't know what happened or you just fall in this thing and you may say you take it personal. Anything we are going between you and the girl, you have to go cut for now, you know. Zane, it have to cut for now, because you can't make it just lead and then you go investigate and then you
listen
switch
what I
back to this. Yes, man, listen what I say.
Sure?
Yes, man.
So, Jigo,
Yes, sir.
I'm really, I can't understand why you guys went on a unauthorized raid. I have income breathing down my neck, coming down here. Is there anything you want to tell me about this particular incident?
So the situation was, man, Gibbs was patrolling in the community of Whitehall, and we see this guy with a suspicion. So we're driving past and dress back, running back into the yard. And honestly, we just get to the situation. So when we pull up, we see two guys, one run with him gun, next one start fire. So we have get ourselves covered and took him out. So we find a 9mm pistol with 15 rounds and so.
So there was firearm involved?
Yes, so
Nobody said anything to me. I had no idea about this incident. It seemed like you guys were prepared for you guys went in the tactical gear and everything.
So please be reminded, we are special officers. So we always on patrol with our vests, our extension clips.
So when they do get here, you can assure that this shooting was justified?
Yes,
Because
sir.
I have a dead man that I have to give account for.
Yes, sir. 100%, sir.
You're sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Right, I'm gonna hold you to that. Now, Jigo,
Yes, sir.
make sure that everything that all this information that you just give me is concrete, you know.
Yes,
Because
sir.
remember, you're on a thin line with me already. And this young man walked in my office and claimed that he had an incident with you. So just make sure everything that you're telling me right here now is concrete. All right, so you're dismissed, man. Let me talk to Gibbs, the senior officer.
All right, sir.
All right?
Respect.
Yes. Tell me, is there anything you want to tell me about that incident? I have a young man dead. Indicum is bleeding down my neck. What can you tell me about
So,
this incident?
So Jigo never tell you what go on?
Jigo, I talk to Jigo, man, but Jigo, if and button, I don't feel like I can trust Jigo. You've been on you're my senior officer. I want to hear your side of the story.
But anything I'm telling you, I see him thing in the boss.
Listen, me, man, James. I want to hear your side of the story, man.
Well,
I don't trust Jigo.
all right. You know Whitehall run already. All right?
Yes.
We patrol the area and we see, a couple suspicious looking guys. So when them see with them run off. So actually with them run off now, so we stay, we are going to investigate. So we go around the corner and we see the two, and one of them visibly have him gun in his waist or so. And that is in his pocket. So we say, police, him run off. The next one do? Take out him gun ready. So, G go off it,
So
And it wasn't for my gun, it was
one
Chico.
man escape.
Yes, man, run.
What's
run
the
him.
status of this escapee?
So actually, run him down to the corner there, and actually, as me looked him gone, I don't know him disappear like a fart in the wind. I don't see him.
Stay on that, on that one. So let's talk about this dead guy. Him start shooting at you guys.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Of course. Yes, sir.
How many shots you think you can get off?
Probably about 3 or 4 in breeze off,
Okay, Gibbs, listen to me, man. I want you to make sure that this information you're giving me is concrete.
Yeah, man.
Like I said, you're my senior officer.
Mhm.
And I wouldn't expect you to be giving me false information.
No. The special everything there, man. I'll leave impression on the wall there. Everything is there, man.
All right.
Don't worry about it, man. Everything all right, man.
I'm going to hold you to this.
But said me a senior man, I think already. So actually, when I go, sir, that's not my hanky panky. Them hoodlum, you remember saying, when you tell me enough to ease up when I say, man, the fire, it's either in your life or for them,
Yes,
So you have to make sure, you understand?
No.
You can come, don't worry, don't waste them time, come down here. That don't make no sense.
All right. So just keep your eyes on it.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. Everything all right. Everything we do by the book, I mean, All right?
Again, thanks for coming.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. We're good, man.
Oh, we are text. So, we are text.
Jigo.
Oh, everything good in him.
Yeah, everything pretty much alright. Everything I go great, like great.
That's good. So Joel reach out back to you after?
Why you talk about Joel right now?
Why more to ask about Joel with him obsessive behavior?
I don't have time for Joel. From the last time him see me at the age, so I cut him off and me not in a contact with him. Remember, Jacob been a keep me company, been a comfort me, so why me I gonna think about Joel?
Me never say a thing about him. I asked if he reach out. Me never say if you reach out to
No,
him.
him not reach out to me.
So, alright, then we're gonna cook.
But you go cook and me cook last night.
Okay.
You open the door.
Joel, why you do this?
Come on, Joel, man.
Why you do this?
Good question, though. Yeah, me I say now, man. Because you know you make man style me in a town.
Me no make nobody style you, Joel.
The police boy in a town disrespect man a bus park. To you.
Me just
Get
got
him on the phone. Make
in
him
a
come
day
and
here. Me
so him
can't
there.
get.
Where him there?
Me no know which party in there.
Get your hey, where you Yo, get your man on the phone. You get to find out say hold on, take and love policeman.
Joel, just take it easy. I listen
Don't
to
take it
me.
easy to me. When me didn't tell you to listen what me I say, you didn't listen what me I
Yeah,
say.
me didn't listen, but
I late it too late.
you just did a behave
Now get the
aggressive.
man on the phone now. Tell the man to pull up. See you can't love police. Police kill my cousin. You never know saying kill my cousin. You know so I love the police cause my cousin in life. Come bar now. Or if I get the man on the phone. Babes. Hello.
Hey, Violet.
Yes, babes.
You remember the two teddy bear when me did get? The black one and the tall one? You can come look on them for me.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, they close by.
Yeah, man, not too far.
Okay.
Hold on there. I mean, what you love, you know? I mean, what you love?
Yes, I love you too.
All right, cool. All right, may I come? Oh, man, that's Christ.
No, give me one. No, give me this. Yo, when the boy forward in, just play him behind me, so. Isn't it? I may look for. Alright.
No, please.
Maya, access. Now, what's about the police, boy? Speeches, I know. Police, boy, dead. Hey, I hear a man next to you there, bar. Yeah, you see when you police, boy, drop out.
Yo, boom. Stay right where the boy. Drop the gun. Push the gun over a little. Babes, take up the gun there. Babes, take up. Babes, take. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Take up the gun, babes. Take up the gun. Eat that boy, you don't stay there too much time. Stand up. Wait, put your hand behind the back, boy. Yo, hold the gun for him, you know. If you move, you shoot in his face. Hold the gun for him. Look.
To make girl hold gun for me.
He that boy. How are you? Put your hand behind your back. I don't want to take this thing apart. If he move, you shoot him. You have him there? Look in that boy's face. If he move, you shoot him. Hey, he that boy. What do you think? What do you think? Hey, why not come ramp with my woman in the youth? How are you? Hold that boy. What do you? Go so. What are you about? Put it down. Go so, boy.
Chicken did so stressed. The whole situation did have me away. I was so scared. Where were you?
Boy, be to tell the truth, I feel a way about situation, someone never there to save you. But because I look at instant talking between the same boy, at the same Joel, I end up shoot on their friend and everything. So to step me over front line duty.
You never know about that, but I'm sorry for judge you wrongfully. Gibbs do a wonderful job though. Him come and him save me. Brooklyn.
That's very good, and I'm so glad of him too as well, because he saved you as also my queen in the neck.
You're more just sweet. You eat sugar before you come here, so? But you want to talk about something
What I do?
But everything will happen and everything will go on since the past weeks. It just really traumatized me. It made me lose myself really, really bad. I just want things to get back on track. So I feel like if you just take a break to heal myself. Not that me I tell you something in a relationship with you or I don't want to do with you. I just feel like I need some time for those. So you know, focus and get back on track. That's okay with you?
Alright, don't worry yourself. I wait for you saying it. I understand the feeling, but I wait for you saying it. It was so sweet.
Why would jiggle it? Now tell me if it go good so far.
Go good, man.
Oh.
Now, the life you can't sound cap.
Yeah, man.
Sound defensive, you know.
Yeah.
But be man for no reason.
Move your stand like that, cheerleader, bro.
Like you want to be man for no reason. So what are you trying to say?
Yeah, for real.
What my officer is a good officer in the world.
That's true, man. Cause police don't like that something else.
Yeah, well, nobody up for no reason. Nobody up cleaner. Yeah, are you a victim, you know?
Yeah.
I am treated like a criminal.
I can't, yeah.
I woke up, choke up.
Me ain't pick up him, man.
First class assistant.
That's why I lick me with that drop.
Alright, so yeah, let me say Kim. After when she said that,
Yeah.
here where you are going to sit down to work, and it's a part of important. She said that. Alright, well listen now. See what Kim say? Aggressive back and forth.
No, man, then you might draw up, man, because she put it to this already. No, so you what you gonna do now?
After when she said that to you.
Ready, action.
Hey, boy, no move. Look, clap. That already. That already.
Hey, Muscle broke my foot, brother.
Come again, come on.
Hey, Muscle broke my foot, brother.
See insurance.
So yeah, man in the house now.
Me and coming to know what jail.
That was good, like I said, yo, yeah, man, now now. Yeah, man, now now. Come on, why shall
Jay, welcome. Ready? Action. So yeah, man in the house now.
Joel, I don't want you nothing from you.
What do you mean? Come on. Come on, Pastor. Yeah, bad man.
You're not real for true.
You want me to do? LG said, we do top our bugs.
Yo, you know when they put everything in our first job and I know say I have a couple more jobs. The rest of them matter. Don't count out already.
Alright.
Jesus Christ, that sound harsh to me.
Yeah, what about you wrong? I just want to get rid of that money out of my life. Yeah, what about you wrong? I need to tell him, say, alright, so here are you. So you're sure, so you know what I'm saying? Ready? Action.
Brooklyn, you worry about the wrong thing, right?
Jesus Christ! Richie, you know some red to youth. The rest knows you have, yeah, man. You have to tell him about it.
Alright. Where should I even start? Why you smile, Big Joe?
And you in a jail? You know what's big Joe smile, man. Ready?
What did that trigger me off and laugh?
Don't smile. Don't smile. Don't smile. Ready now?
Love kissing that movie.
Why you have to work his hair?
So just come ask me if my name Joel, sir.
Yo, answer my question. I'm tapping up for me.
No, no, action time. What is about, officer?
Yeah.
What is all about? Yeah, I know you not answer my question.
Yeah.
You name Joel? I say, yes, officer.
Brooklyn, who that? You expect somebody?
Brooklyn.
Come. Good night.
Night. At Brooklyn there.
I mean, in Brooklyn.
You ready? So here what you do? Just tell her to call me. Just tell her. Hold on. Give me my phone, Mr. Brother.
Come on, man, not there.
He ring me
You have
up.
to hold the phone more, make me ring it. You have to hold the phone like me ring it. I'm twist up it, make you hear that you
He
more.
ring me on.
Hold on, if you ask him, say, so what about the other man that escaped? He said, so,
Okay.
he escaped in a nearby bushes.
Can that news I go say?
What you do?
Report it, bro, because
Report it. That one, why don't you find about where we're going? Right? If you want to, if you want to cover,
no, it's a report, you know.
just about put on.
Really.
What's up, boy? How do that?
You know, Miss Brooke.
We never ready